Forgot what I said I was going to work on last week. So I'm either going to work on power-ups, more bug fixes, which are starting to disappear. I like that. Or this pause menu. Power-ups is like a new thing. Let's see. This would effectively be the same thing as working on power-ups. Death animation, I don't really know. Silence that. I don't think it causes a null pointer anymore. This is a weird. Okay. I'm not sure about that yet. When continue button is available. Yeah, this is just a dumb thing. Okay. This doesn't seem to happen anymore. I haven't seen this happen again. This is a weird one too. Okay. And the maybe pile. Oh, cheat codes I did actually. Okay. This is probably going to come last. All right, I'll have to make a decision here. I guess I'll work on the power-up thing. So I'm going to get rid of the power-up meter in favor of just having various ship power-ups. I'm really debating on whether to do it like very similar to how Gradius does it. What would that be like? So I'd collect probably some drops from enemies. I can still use the meter actually instead. I can say that the meter fills up. That would be kind of interesting. I kind of like that. So I can have power-ups that I can redeem mid-game. Whenever this meter fills up, it advances the power-up meter to the next level, and then whenever I want to, I can redeem it and drain the entire thing. That seems interesting. Okay, let me try that. I guess I'll set up the UI for it. That would be here. Okay, so let's create another object here. This would be our power-ups. So this is not even there. Where is that? Oh, that's in the HUD. Health bar, power-up bar. Okay, that's still fine. can generate. Okay. Let's see here. I'm trying to think if I can just generate programmatically. So let's see, power up, collect, power provide. I'm probably going to get rid of this then. I can do. So let's go to player. Let's write this code first. And since currently the gun level's actually held not here, but inside of level manager, I guess I'll put it here. And this will actually persist anyway, so yeah. So this level max kind of makes sense, but it'll be different. So this will be, let's call this gun, bullets. What else would there be? Speed, shield, just kind of making this up here, homing, laser. That's kind of all I got right now. Okay, so, oh, and I guess none, and then can't. So power ups, power up, power up of selected, power up position. I don't really know. Let's do that and set it to none. Okay, and so the ship level max will be power ups count. Right. In which case I don't even need the max variable anymore. I'll just do this. Power ups that count. Come on. And I guess I can do this too, because this is not really a correct count because of the none. Oh, then I won't use the none. I will just use power up position 0, and that'll be some index into this. Totally makes sense. All right, so power up ship level, this player ship level, this is more like bullet level. That's what that is. So this has gotten all haywire. Player ship level, and then set up guns. So I'm gonna need 2 variables for this. Okay. When I redeem one of these, it just has to do something. So this position will just keep track of what level it's currently on. Okay. So this is going to be some power up position. Ooh, we'll say that's power position plus 1. So that doesn't go to 0. If power up position is less than the count, it's less than the count. Otherwise, it power up position equals power ups count. Else player shift experience equals. Actually, what I can do is just keep getting more points or something. Yeah, so I won't even care about that. It's gonna always do, if it's greater than this, oh, but I guess I do need this. Okay, so power up position plus plus. It should never get to power up count. Or yes, it can. Yes, it can. Okay. Special text power up. This won't be a thing anymore. Set up guns. This won't be a thing anymore, so I'm gonna have a thing that says power up the beam. Player ship gain experience. This is now just going to be power up gain experience. And reset level. Player ship reset level. That's different. That's the gun level of the ship. Player ship bullet level, bullet level. Set up guns for the bullet level. Okay. Do a switch on power up position, or I can say power ups power up equals power ups power up position. Come on, like that. And I can do that. First I'll do bullets. Forgot the order that they go in. I think it's speed and shield and then shield. And what's after shield? Homing and laser, I guess. So if it's bullets, then player ship bullet level plus plus, and player ship shooter setup guns, player ship bullet level. In order to do this, this is all for the player ship, so gaining experience also requires that the ship exists. It requires the ship exists. And then it's not crashing. How about that? So this doesn't happen anymore, it just increments the position. If power position is at the end, nothing really else happens. Oh, it goes over the end here? Okay. Oh, then I just redeem some stuff, and then this happens either way, and whoops. And this does not happen. And I just redeem some points. So add score. I get like 1,000 points. I don't know. And then player ship reset bullet level. So now some other stuff is broken. Redeem, so power up, redeem, power up game screens. If I redeem bullets, that happens. Okay. Let's get some level up sounds. SFX, BFX. No. Alright, power up. Sounds lame. It's terrible. No. God, it's so loud. That's not bad. It's not terrible. Almost sounds like a computer beeping sound. I'm gonna grab that just for the hell of it. Collect. All right. No. I'm gonna jump. That's pretty good for selecting one of them, redeeming one. I have one of those yet? I don't want to overwrite it. No. That's not bad. Let's get some more sustain time. It's not bad. Get some vibration in there. Yeah, there we go. That's pretty good. All right. Let's see here. Now that I have that, oh, I can also do the redeem sound, right? In order to redeem, I have to also be in the ship. I'm gonna get some error sounds in here. I guess let me do that before I forget. Where's like an error? Guess they don't have that one. So if player ship and not player ship crashing is crashing, this should also only be happening if I'm in the ship, right? I guess the player can control that. Otherwise it's going to play an error. Sound play. I'm going to add some sound effects here. So let's get those going here. Oh, audio clips. Here we go. BGM1, BGM. Okay, so audio clip, no, SFX, power up, increase, SFX, power up, redeem, redeem. say SFX error. Kind of a generic error noise. Okay. Error, SFX error. If this works probably, and then power up position equals 0. And this is going to play power up redeem. SFX power up redeem. And every time I increase in level here, or every time, yeah, anything like that happens, then I go to SFX power up increase. Nice. Let's see here. So this is now doing power up gain experience. It's the only thing that got affected. Player ship reset bullet level. Player ship bullet level. Okay. So now there's kind of no way to know that that is happening, except for the sound effects. And then I just need ways to redeem them. So I'm going to go to player in ship update. Right? And let's see. Here's my control stuff. Move up, move down, move left, move right. I guess this, I can use the select button to redeem stuff. Command left, command right. I don't, no, I'll use the Y button on the Xbox controller. That seems right. Control move left, control move right. So that's movement. Control shoot was up there. Control. I might not have this one. What would I even call this? I guess this is control redeem power up. Where are these things defined? Okay. Something like that. And I have to define that in the update method though. Control, redeem power up, game controller. That'd be action up. Control, redeem. What happens? Level manager instance redeem. So now that can happen. I should be able to hear the sound effects letting me know that things are happening without having to build the UI for it. So let's see if that's true. Let's go to the level manager, add some sound effects. All right, so what did I have? Power up increase, so that's power up 2, I think. Power up 1 is the redeem. And error is the error. All right, so I should hear the error sound every time I try to redeem it. That's not true at all. I was not hearing the error sound. I was hearing power of 1. Yeah, so I was redeeming it successfully. Let's take a look at that, shall we? So first of all, my position could be 0. Oh, 0 shouldn't even be allowed. So I do need that none in there. How about that? And then, I don't have to do that level +1 thing. Where is that? Because, come on. Or do I? I still do need to do that. Yeah. And then is crashing. So that's fine. And then redeem is going to be that. And power up position. Power up position is greater than 0. So now it's going to error out. If anything, my gun level should have been crazy at that point. So that's the error sound. Good. Flying around. Okay. What's this? What's going on here? It's doing that frame rate thing again, where the frame rate drops when I move. Only up and down. I don't understand. Just restarting Unity usually fixes that. Maybe it's this thing. I really don't think it is. Don't know why it is that way. Doesn't matter how I do it, whether it's controller input or keyboard input. Alright, so that happens. Okay. So I need some enemies to confirm that things are gonna work. So there's 6 enemies here now. I should be able to kill all of them easily. I didn't hear the experience go up. I can check what this thing says. What level manager decides to say. The experience isn't public, but my level position is 0. So nothing happened there. Oh, here it is, experience, 0.8. Okay, so it was a little more difficult. Is it because the robot killed some of those guys? It didn't count? Is that true? No. It's the destructible that does it. When anything gets destroyed, it adds to my experience. Huh. Let's see how much I'm getting per ship. getting none. Huh. Yeah, I wasn't getting any experience for that. What's up with the robot laser? Give me this guy. He's a laser type that shoots a bullet that is no, it doesn't shoot a bullet. It just shoots a laser. Explosion player, normal bullet, enemy, cool power laser, muzzle flash, shoot dull. Okay, that's the hit sound, I guess now, or I don't know. Gun left, gun right, they both do the same thing. But when an enemy dies, destructible. Look who it is. Where's that gain experience thing? Experience. Okay. Okay, only works for bullets apparently. On trigger, enter collision. So why would I gain experience and not alive? Why don't I just do that in the die method? Right? Oh, well, let me check some stuff too. If I'm an enemy type, how about that? If I die, else, if type is enemy, then do that, and we shouldn't have any issues. Let's do it again. Get it? Hey. 0.1, power position is 1. I didn't hear the noise, but if I press the button. Ah, but my gun did level up. Look at that. So, we're going to fix this. I am modifying how the gun level up system works. Oh, so shouldn't the UI be broken? Why is it's like not connected to the UI anymore? Oh no, I guess I just wasn't seeing. I just wasn't looking at the UI. I guess the explosion sound got masked by the power-up sound. I don't remember hearing it. It's not that sound, it's this sound, isn't it? Yeah. Maybe it played, I just didn't hear it. Or maybe I didn't play it. I think I was on it actually. Gain experience. Yeah, here it is. So, should totally work, should hear it. I don't know, I guess all the other explosion sounds and stuff are masking it out. So let's play it louder. And then I guess I can start building the UI for it. Alright, so we're gonna have, so I'm doing a Gradius style where, except instead of item pickups. So in Gradius you pick up these like items that increase your little meter at the bottom, and that starts to hover over different power-ups, and then you can press a button to redeem that power-up. And the more you collect, the further up the meter it goes to different power-ups. So I'm kind of doing the same thing, except I don't care about collecting items. I'm just going to make it the more enemies you kill, every time your meter gets full, you have a meter that fills up as you kill enemies, and once that meter fills up, it goes back to the bottom and advances the power-up selection meter by 1. That's how that's going to work. It should totally make sense. Totally. All right, then I'm going to go to the UI. I guess that's the HUD, right? Okay. Can I... add these things without... Trying to see if I can do it without... You think you're done with your game? Is that what you mean? Okay. I mean, it's part of the HUD. I don't know why I didn't put everything in here. The score text and all that stuff. I can move it all in here, but whatever. I guess I will make it... I guess I'll make it part of the UI. Just doesn't need to be part of the UI. Except for the text, but I can just make text using my game text script, right? Or did I make a prefab for that? Game text. And I just give it whatever text I want. So, let's see here. Let's go to the HUD and add some text. I can give it backgrounds if I want. Okay, so then I'm gonna have one meter that displays the different... I want it to do it programmatically. All right. I can at least add it. And I can just give it an X scale of 0. Okay. Create an empty object. Power up selection holder. Power up selection holder. Okay. Power up selection holder equals transform find that. And what I want to do with this is add power-ups to it. So that would be level manager.powerups for each. There's a way to do this, to iterate over them. Oh, I don't have to. Power up index 0, power up index, 1, power up index is less than int power ups, level manager dot power ups dot count, power up index like Okay. I can give it a name, although I could just put that here. Probably. Which I can just do that, right? The master. Yeah, right. So what, you said you're done with your game? That's quite like an accomplishment. It's good that you know that you're done. A lot of people never know that they're done, and they're like stuck in limbo, thinking about what else needs to be done. I was like that before as well. It could very well be happening right now. Speed, shield, we don't have, homing, laser. So, this is just to get the string name, display name, bullets, speed, shield, home, laser. Okay. So the starting position will be somewhere this game object's position. What is that thing called again? Power up selection. Power up selection. Transform position. Offset equals that. Oh, I'll do that outside the loop. Okay. And then offset. How am I going to calculate that? They'll all be set widths with center alignments. Okay, I got scared. So let's do some things here. Font size 40. I don't know, hold on, it has some presets on it. Oh, also I'll need HUD. Right, I'll need power up selection prefab. That's public. That. Okay. Although I could just make an entire object. You know what? Let me do that. Duplicate that. Power up selection. And I want to make sure HUD All right, so there's nothing currently. Item. Okay, that's kind of big, right? Rating. Where are you coming from? Should I be worried? All right, let's see here. So I'll need a background. How about that? So I don't even need a. Hey, Jimmy, man, what's going on? So I don't even need an actual background. Or does it even matter? It's actually just text. All right, I'll just use the text for now. Are you actually still streaming? Or I guess you were. Yeah, so that's, let me just replace that thing then. Hey, get over here. There. So I'm going to instantiate that thing at that position. So it's going to be, but it's going to have, what does this thing have? A game text. It has a text mesh. So just gotta get the text mesh. All right, so, so first of all, game text. It has game text? Yeah. Instantiate power up prefab at selection position equals position plus offset. Selection position. And then I could just say offset. So instead of font size, I don't even know if I need that. Int width, selection width, 2. And I gotta make sure it's centered, but I can actually do that here. Doesn't say that it's always centered. Anchor point, middle, center. Where's the, alignment, center. It's already centered. All right then. I have almost nothing left to do, I think. Plus offset dot x plus equals selection width. Hey man, what's up?
That doesn't make sense. Yo, it's the newest version.
Oh.
Did you? Okay, I'm working on power-ups. Sounds good. I will not. I feel like the only reason you join me is so I can feel like I have company, but really it's just so you can distract me. Yeah. All right, let me see what you got. I don't see it. Oh, a link. Gotcha. I thought you were gonna screen share or something. All right, let me not accidentally open that somewhere. Show it to the world. register. Do not click. There's a button that says do not click. I don't know, man. I'm scared. You know, like, so text mesh. Text mesh equals component. So I should click it, I guess. Just my guess. I don't know. Text. Ah, God. I can't do that. I can't get the dot text property. Oh, not text mesh. Text mesh. Duh. Oh, I forgot your audio was muted. I probably sounded like an idiot talking to myself. All right. I said do not click. Okay. Nothing happened.
Yeah, you registered, dude.
Oh, I gotta click register. Enter username. Oh, man. It loaded. A lot of the stuff was kind of like offset.
Yeah, the loading stuff, I know.
Yeah. Use my microphone. I don't know if it'll work, but okay.
How's your movement speed? Yeah, we're in chat now. Hold on.
Oh, it's really slow.
Hey, what's up?
I see 3 names in the chat, but I do hear you. Now I see 4 names.
It's just not updating the list properly.
Yeah. But it's working. The movement's really slow.
I know, we don't know why that is yet. Because if anything, it should be speeding up.
It should be speeding up over time.
No, just it's like set up in a way that if there is like packet loss or like out of sync or whatever, the server should catch you up. So we don't know what that is yet.
Could be something like that. Could just be the frame rate itself. Is there a way to see it?
The frame rate?
Yeah.
I don't know how to do that yet.
Yeah, there should be like some debugging like abilities with Phaser. But
not built in apparently. The only
really?
debug it has is like outlining of sprites and bodies and stuff.
Well, I guess you could kind of time it yourself. All right.
Yeah. Austin has some stuff he can run on the back end. But are you moving still?
No, I left.
Oh.
No, you should be able to run it on the front end. I mean, to get the local frame rate of the game.
Why didn't your guy disappear?
I don't know. Maybe it's gonna take a second. Let's see here. So that should at least create some objects. If I can get the initial position correct. They'll all be at 0, 0. Oh, and they'll exist in the world. So, oh, there they are.
Bullet, speed, shield, shoot.
Okay. The text is gigantic. And I guess the position was 0, 0 because that's where that is. And that's inside the camera for some reason. Alright, so I'm going to have the text start up here. And be way the hell smaller. Okay. Text mesh dot font. Size. Use the other thing. Size, font size. That's it. Alright, and they're all really far apart. Okay, so that's too far apart. It's probably, I don't know if that's too small too. 0.5. It's not up. Float. Okay. I'm gonna go bigger than that. points. And a different position. Because they're still centered, I guess. So it's going to be right about here, right there. I guess I can also make it so that it floats around a center point, but that doesn't really make a difference. Alright, it's a little better. Why are they way down there? Let me see. Oh, I forgot that these are... because, does this have like a specific size or something? No? What's its position? So then what the hell? How's it there? Oh, because the position here is local. So I have to nest it first and then reset its position. So now I'm going to go like that. Go dot transform dot set parent my transform, or no, power up holder dot transform, and then position is selection position, and I don't need that. I just really should press offset, and then increase the offset. Alright, that's better. I can increase the font size a little bit. Probably double it.
Interesting. Yeah. So I have an FPS.
Okay. That's not bad. Does that look weird? I guess if it should be anywhere, it should be at the top. And then what I want to do is I could change the color of it. Right, I could gray it out. Oh, what I want to do with this though, power up bar is going to change. How come it's not? Oh, that's its position? That's kind of annoying. Oh wait, never mind, it has the things here. I don't need the icon anymore, I think. Okay, alright, icon. Background. So let's move both of these guys here. Be somewhere here. Oh man, why is the selection holder there now? Oh, because oh man. Alright, so hold on, let me move this here. Alright, and then this power up bar. Background is going to get extended. By some amount that I don't know.
Okay, so Chrome has disabled its frame per second debugger. That's cool.
And then the scale. Oh, this is kind of wrong. Right? Forgot how this works. Oh no, it grabs its initial scale, so that works. Looks a little weird. Oh, that's not bad at all. Shit.
unbox my tablet.
Oh man, the meter didn't move at all though. So that's not correct. Something's wrong with it, right? Did I break how the meter works? I don't think I did. I mean, it's still the same name, power up bar, bar. And it just moves. Initial X. Power up bar initial X. Transform local scale X. Right? Not seeing any errors. Oh wait, it is going up. Okay. Oh, I died, and so it doesn't show up anymore. Ah. I see. I see what happened there. Alright, so let's use a controller. It's easier. Oh, I heard the sound that time. So that means I can use it. Alright, cool. Alright, so now I just have to highlight which one is selected. Let's see, color. Yeah, okay. Color, text color equals some. I guess I'll define them here. Power up. Disabled? I don't know. Power up selected.
It's kind of funny when your frame rate debugger affects your frame rate.
It can happen. Shouldn't too drastically. I should probably rename that variable more appropriately. Color.
Okay, so
and then if power up index equals power up position, then text color is color power up selected. And I can do that here. Text mesh color. Text color. Like so. And then now is this on, oh, this is only on start though. Okay. Not a problem, probably. Yeah, I can just do that. Seems like the only thing I need is this. Okay. That's not public. So it's gonna be text mesh power up texts. That's an array. Text mesh array of size. value of that is. Minus 1. Nah, it doesn't matter. When I create them, I'll add them. So power up texts, power up index equals text image. Come on. And then I don't need this text color. Well, I can default the text colors, I guess, as well. And then in the update, if player does not equal null, I guess that's okay. Then for each text mesh text, then power up texts, then I will say, let me make this normal for a loop. Int power up index. Power up index is less than text length. Power up index is plus. I'm gonna make that 1. I'm just gonna have a dead index, I guess. Then power up texts, power up index. If power up index equals level manager instance power up position, then the color will be one thing, otherwise the color will be another thing. Text.color equals color disabled, no, color selected, color disabled. Okay, now I just have to define those colors. So let's do like a dark gray, maybe darkish gray there, and then the selected will be like a bluish color. Maybe. Maybe I can match the jetpack color somewhere there, something like that. I don't know. Well, I won't be able to see it in the damn sky. Oh, well, that doesn't even work. Shit. Oh, right, because that's not... What have I... Oh no, that I was editing the prefab. So then, is this one like out of sync with that? No? Selection holder transform in the HUD script. Okay. Oh, here there's nothing. That should have something. There. Alright, so now we're breaking. This doesn't exist. Why doesn't it exist? That should have happened. Huh. So it didn't happen. Now it's there. So this does go here. What the hell? Oh, okay, there was a different error. First, you probably needed to add text mesh. Now you're telling me this is not. Oh, power up selection holder. Oh. Whoops. Oh, there we go. There we go. Okay. Now I should be able to change color. Yes. Oh, sorry. They're still all white for some reason. Color doesn't seem to do anything. Two color? Oh, so if I make this red, it doesn't matter because of the two color. Color transition time. Ah, okay, so it has like this blinking effect that I forgot about. So, game text, game text, color transition time 0, game text. So this is really game text and not text mesh. Color equals. Oh, 2 color equals text color. That's going to be that. These are going to be game texts. Game text. And instead of that, it's going to be 2 color. Okay. Still nothing happened in there, huh? Shit. Alright, let me just look and see what let me just look and see what happens here. If I change the color, the color changes back to white. What's doing that? Color transition time. Alright. This is just a timer that does nothing. Actual color is from color. Oh, where's from color? Color white.
What is this color?
Color transition time divided by 2. So this is always white for some reason. Oh, right. Okay. So let me have the option to change the from color. I could have just made the transition time, well, I don't know. Either way. Or I could just, yeah, now I don't care about the transition time, and I can, where the hell's the HUD script? Alright. So now I don't care about the transition time. I can just change the from color and the to color, do the same thing. And there will be a transition that I just will never see. Exactly, Jimmy. Got it. Okay. What? I had to make the game more difficult, didn't I? Shit. All I had to do was kill 5 of them. Look at the controller pad. Alright, and now bullet is blue. That's kind of my goal there. So now I have 1 redeemable power up. And then if I use it, now my bullets are more advanced. Oh, and then my level should go back to 0. Well, that doesn't matter, right? Yeah. Because that power up's gonna go, that meter's gonna go up based on what position this thing is at. So I don't really like white, or I don't really like this grayish color. Let's see if I can get it. Let's see some other color. White, I mean, is white the correct color then? Maybe some dull gray there. And then I can just mess with level manager manually. 1, 2, okay. Red? Oh, that's kind of cool, actually. Black. Dark red. Dark blue. Purple. Green. Ah, that's terrible. Yellow. Yellow power up color. There we go. It's kind of classic. Orange. So what do you think about this now? I did something, I changed how the power-ups work.
1 second. Alright, go ahead.
Okay, you see it?
Yep.
Okay, so the idea is...
Ooh, I see the bar, yeah.
Yeah, so the bar fills up, and every time the bar fills up, you advance 1 position on this thing. So you can let the bar fill up, or you can press a button on your controller that will then redeem this specific thing for you, right? And then if you redeem it, it goes back to 0, right? And then you have to let the bar fill up, incrementing through these things over and over again. So you can try to like let it fill up over and over again to get laser, which is like super powerful. However, you just forego getting all these power-ups along the way.
I like it. Pretty cool idea.
Does that make sense?
Yeah,
I mean, I kind of stole the
more,
idea from Gradius. That's how it works. They have a very similar system. However, you have to collect items to get these things to move, to get this like selection thing to move. And in here, I just did it so where you have like this experience bar that keeps filling up over and over again. You can kind of see it in action if I just restart the game. I'll mess with the positioning a little bit, but
yeah.
So if I just kill all these guys, right, I'm getting the meter full, and then I got it. And you can see bullet is blue now, and now I can press this button, and it redeemed it, and now I have stronger bullets, right?
That's pretty cool.
I'm guessing like I have to put them in a specific order of like best to worst, or worst to best, I guess.
I would maybe make the letters a little darker so it stands out a bit more.
Well, what I'm thinking is lighter, actually. Like, look at this. Hold on.
Sure. Yeah, that makes it stand out a
like
bit
an off-white. Black would also be very visible. But I like this, and then I'm in favor of. Hold on, let me fake which one I have here.
And the blue kind of makes it disappear a little bit.
Okay, yeah, it does in the sky, right?
Yeah.
But that'll depend on which level I'm at, which world,
I mean,
right?
you could add like a drop shadow to it. That wouldn't be an issue.
Yeah, I can. I can easily do that, actually. But hold on, let me get your input here on a color.
Okay.
So I was thinking something like a yellowish color.
Yellow lines up a little bit more to the bar, because the blue makes me think it's linked to that back jetpack, because you have a blue meter there. So like color coordinating that would be key too. So if you're going to use red and yellow for this bar, I would suggest that your electricity be a different color.
I actually want to use a different color for the bar overall, just to make it look simpler.
Okay.
I think the gradient looks kind of tacky.
You don't need a gradient. Yeah, it's true. You don't need a gradient, but that color should match whatever color you highlight these words at.
Interesting.
It makes more like intuitive sense to see that and be like, oh, these two must be related. The placement, though, however, because at first it seems like if the bar reaches the word, I'll get it. And it's not until it completely fills up that you realize, oh, okay. Each time it fills up, then boom, it comes to the next word.
Yeah, I think that once no one's supposed to get it just by looking at it. They're supposed to play the game and figure it out, I guess.
Yeah.
This is back in the day when, this is not back in the day, but I'm thinking about games that used to have instruction manuals.
Yeah.
Not really a fan of green. Doesn't really match anything. The entire color scheme of the game has really no green in it ever. Instruction.
You can do yellow. You might as well make it orange. Make it like a yellow-orange. Yeah, like that.
Yeah, that's gonna really well. Like you said, adding a drop shadow would be good.
Yeah.
I can do that. It'll probably look pretty good too. Shit. If that's the case, then these guys will all have sorting order. Yeah, okay. I can add drop shadows with lower sorting orders. For instructions on how to get instructions, please read the instructions. Nice. Let me write down these colors then.
You need to read those instructions, buddy.
So this color code is DDC127. DDC127. And the grayish white is 200s. Across, so that's C8. C8, C8, C8. And then I can reposition it just a little bit. Oh, this thing should go a little bit over here. A little bit more over here. That's pretty good. And then I can also reposition the jetpack bar. These guys can go here, a little tighter. And that can actually be at the same Y position. What is that, 3.2? Let's round it off. 3.2. And say 3.2. What? Zero, -0.5. Why is it at minus 0.5? Oh, so that I could do that. And I did that on purpose. Minus 0.25. Why did I do this like this? If that's the case, then what are these things? Oh, so I moved them in here. Oh, man. 0. Oh, this one was moved. So I'm gonna move this one. 0. Move these guys down.
First upgrade,
These
beefier
guys down.
power cable.
What is that? 2 point. Let's do 2.75. Nope. 0.5. Nope. 2.6. 2.7. 2.6. 5. 6, 5.
Stylus.
There we go. That's pretty good. Should I do that? I don't know. I can also add a little arrow indicator underneath. We'll see. Kind of like that idea. Let me write that down. So. Swap out power up. Yeah, there we go. Did that. This thing got rid of that by doing that. Let's see. Power up meter. Arrow indicator. Selection. Drop shadow. Text. For all of them, I guess. Actually, that should be pretty easy. I should be able to do that right now. Let's see. Hood. There we go. For each one of these, shadow, instantiate the same thing again. Power up, select prefab, and then the shadow. Text shadow, so this doesn't need to be here. Shadow text mesh, so this is actually text mesh. Get current. No, text mesh. Game text, shadow, game text. That should not be get component, this should be shadow.
It's cool.
Shadow. Same thing here. And
it's a nice bigger size. It's almost as big as small.
Should be shadow game text, shadow text mesh. And then it's positioning, so I can say shadow.transform.parent equals go.transform, and then just offset it. Shadow.transform position equals oh, sorry, local position. Local position equals 1, 2, 3, 2, 0.0. Let's see, 0.01, negative 0.01.
I think now I know why the Pro is $1,000. Bluetooth.
And that will create a shadow. And the color, I'm just going to have a shadow color. There we go. And I just got to define that, and that should create drop shadows. I'm guessing black would be fine for, let's see here. Didn't compile it. There we go. What is this? Alright, let's see if the drop shadow even works. Super Mario All-Star Instruction Manual. It's a good one. Alright, so the drop shadow is there. Oh, but it's on top. I forgot to change the sort order, which is in game.
You should also only put it on the one that's selected, no?
I'm thinking about that. I'm gonna try both.
I'm gonna start unplugging this guy.
So I have sort order. Sort order is gonna have to go on awake. I'm just gonna have to change it all the time. And I hope that doesn't have a weird performance hit. Let's see, and that's just gonna be whatever that other sort order is -1. So shadow game text dot sort order equals game text dot sort order -1. Okay, now they're in the back. Let's see what they look like. Okay, looks not too bad. And yeah, probably only on the one that's selected would be better. Let's see if I change it. Oh, it doesn't change. Maybe I can offset it a little more. Oh, it's still blue again though. Oh, I forgot to change that too. Oh, this is supposed to be like a lighter color. Right, there's supposed to be 200, so that's B8, B8, B8. Or C8, C8. Right, okay. And this is supposed to be DDC 127. Okay. And that's going to be that. And then just need to change the shadow offset. 2. Not bad. How do you think that looks?
Actually, it's pretty good.
Yeah, let me see real quick. Yeah, not bad, right? Something like that.
That's pretty good.
I should do that with the score too. Shit. that UI messing up like that? That's weird that it looks like that. Oh, that's the background. Oops. Yeah, why is it extending like that? Oh, damn it, I gotta go into the thing. Should be inside there. I see why. Alright, that's pretty good. Let me go to level 1 and try this stuff out. Oh, what happened? Come on. Where's my controller? Oh, this is a different... So I have a player... Oh, let me go back to sandbox. I think I turned on like the auto shooting on the player ship or something. Yeah, player... No overrides. Okay. Save. So this got messed up. Okay, so all these transforms and stuff. Okay. One. Come back here. Ah, shit. That's okay, I'll deal with that. Nice. Now I just gotta say what happens when you actually redeem all that stuff. Should get 1,000 points. Oh, the position went up again. Oh, shit. Oh, God. Shit, too many bullets. Gotta get my ship back. Oh, I can't complete the level if I'm in an enemy ship. Whoops. Unless there's something else that's still... But this guy is not an enemy. Ah, ha ha ha. The player ship still exists somewhere. Does he? Oh yeah, there he goes. Why? Guess that doesn't matter. Oh, but that throws off the ship count. Okay, so slight change there. So I'm gonna go. Where was that? That's in the event, the level event. Event triggers. Event trigger load scene level end. It does complete it if ship count equals 1. Aha, okay. If S has player. Oh, player ship exists is true. Player ship has to exist. So that's correct. Oh, okay. If S. If S dot is player ship and this one is crashing, then skip this one. Don't count this one. There we go. That should take care of that. How's that box art coming along?
Boxy.
Alrighty, so that's good. That is assigned value never used. Oh, debug. Okay, I'm alright with that. What was the other issue that I ran into? Oh, right, the counter seemed to increment. It went off the screen. Let's see if I'm right. Gain experience. If it's less than count, I can increment it. Position equals the count. The highest I should be able to go is count. Oh wait, hold on. Oh, the problem is the count is off. Count -1. That's the actual count. Power up count equals int power up count -1. Power up count. Come on. Like that. And if it equals power up count, I do that. And then I can make the experience go up by a lot. Just to test it. I gotta change where that box appears. So when I redeem it, I also want to I can't redeem all of these. Make these play pretty loud. All of these sound effects. 3, and let's see what happens when I do speed. So I guess I can record some of this stuff here. So I have the, where is that? Oh, right, okay. So ship bullet level. What else? Speed multiplier, speed multiplier, ship speed multiplier, player ship speed multiplier. Let's go back down to the bottom here and see if I can do where's reset bullet level. So this is just going to be reset power-ups. So that's going to go to 0, that's going to go to 1, push bullet level, player, ship, speed, multiplier, goes back to 1. And then when I get more speed, when I redeem speed, here, okay. Player ship speed multiplier plus equals 0.5. I'm going twice as fast after 2 times. If player ship speed multiplier is greater than 3, then it equals 3. Might as well just make that a max. Multiplier max. Did you find like a repository of game guides or something? I hope it's someday. If you keep doing it, yeah, sure. Definitely. Player. Let's see. Let's do. Where's movement? Desired move in ship update. Plus equals move speed. Desired move X. Desired move, position plus equals desired move times manager dot speed multiplier. Okay. Did you just get it like in today?
Yep.
Okay.
I just unboxed it.
You should have made an unboxing video.
I mean, there wasn't much to it.
No, I know. It's... yeah. Barely a joke. Barely a joke there. Alright, so that's going to go speed multiplier there. That is based on the... oh, that happens anyway, so that's fine. Right, if I go to destructible and I see reset on die, start crashing, and then do that, yep. Reset.
Probably do a review. I mean,
you can. Player ship reset power-ups? Yep, okay. I'll get any more speed. Can I restrict it so that I can't get any more of it? wouldn't want to redeem it. So I don't know yet. I guess I can do a if something is at its max, always show specific color. Yeah, okay, so that's what I'll do. So if okay, hold on. Power up index is at the position. If power up, oh, let me grab the exact power up that it is. Level manager, power ups, power ups. This, or no, the index, didn't really matter, but whatever, and then equals speed, and speed multiplier equals speed multiplier max. Oh, so I can say pool disabled, or this doesn't even, oh, so else do that. So text from color selected, then I'll do power up disabled, or no, power up, I'll do another color. So this will just be normal. Let me rename this. This will be easier. And this will be disabled. Okay. I guess I just need to find that color and then specify here also to not allow it. So level manager, redeem. And it's not the case. Okay, hold on. So, can not redeem. If it's speed, do that. Do that. I can do this one. I can do this differently. If it's less than max, do that. Else equals that. Not redeem is true. there. Oh. If player ship bullet level is less than player ship bullet level. I don't have a max bullet level. Guess I should have a max bullet level. Bullet level max. 3. Where's that? Player ship bullet level max. Do the increment. What else? Don't do the increment and do that. Although I might want to. Just got to be careful with this. If this is suddenly greater than, set it equal. Cannot redeem is true, and here also do that, else cannot redeem is true. And then I can just do this. Rise power up position equals 0 there. What is this all about? Oh, right, every time I redeem one. Right. And then if cannot redeem, so I can also say that cannot redeem start, or I'm going to call this can redeem. Make it this, if can redeem, do this, but then set can redeem false. And also here.
We got our Christmas tree up.
Awesome, dude. I did that, yeah, a little while back. So that's cool. You went and got a real one, you said, right?
Yeah. They get you with that pointy stick at the top, man. You know, it's like a 5-foot tree with a stick on the top. Like, oh, it's a 6-foot tree or 7-foot tree. Right. And then they end up chopping off like another like freaking 5 inches. Anyways, so just making that shit shorter. But they charge you before they do that.
Oh, you're gonna need a 10% chopping fee, and yeah. I'm gonna have to call my tall guy because this tree is tall.
I just want to verify with him. Yep, he just comes out. Yo, that's tall.
That's to verify how the weather is up there.
Oh, now you need to move those little pop-ups a little lower, I think.
Yeah, I do.
What's with the homing?
What about it?
Right over, is it just a stream thing? Over the I and the N, it looks like a black square. Oh, okay. Yeah,
Yeah,
looks
it's just
good there.
just the sizing is all weird. A black square, huh? What was I just testing though? Oh, I was gonna try and redeem speed. That's what it was.
Wish I could hear it.
Yeah, I know. It's pretty cool. Come on. I should just start on level 2. Ah, fuck, I missed speed.
Yeah, it's fast.
Fuck.
It's movement
Oh,
speed.
I am going faster though. Yeah, it is movement speed. Shit, it's fast. It's way too fast. Alright, I gotta add it. I lost the sound effect apparently. Oh, power up redeem should go here. And power up air. And the error sound effect should go here. SFX error. Okay, so that was way too fast. So I'm going to increment by 0.2 and make the maximum speed 2. There. Level 2. What?
Isn't this like the latest you've streamed?
No. We've gone like past. Oh, I don't know. Maybe. Shit. Oh, I'm dead. Okay. So that's pretty good. That's pretty good. I just gotta change the way that this levels up now. So 1.2 is in here somewhere. Move my cursor, damn it. 0.2. Okay. I can change the way the text box works. Oh yeah, it's just over 2 hours now. Let's see here. Brady game guides for Final Fantasy. That brings back memories, for sure. I still have a copy of the Final Fantasy VIII guide. How many other ones? 10. I think I have 10. Those strategy guides, man. Alright, level.
I'm okay with that.
Camera, message box. So this has a specific position. Right? Where's that? Okay, so got lower where that appears. I'll take that down to about 1. Just put it at 1. See what that looks like.
Ooh.
Level 1. That's not bad, that's a little low. No, it's just above where I am now, so it's not too. Do 1.5 probably. A longer stream would be cool since I don't know what I'm going to do now. Oh, all the colors are off now. Shit, what did I do now?
I need to get this. I lost all my buttons.
Oh, that's not good. So normal should be DDC 127. No, never mind. C8, C8, C8. C8, C8, C8. And then shadow is that, disabled is that. Disabled can be darker, I guess. Alright. ship speed is at 3. Ship speed multiplier, oh, max is 3. Oops. It's supposed to be 2. Now I'm at 1.8. I'll change it to 2. Alright. Alright, so now I'm at the max. Shit, even 2 times speed is really fast.
Yeah. I mean, it shouldn't be twice as fast.
Okay, that works. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. What the hell was that? Oh, okay. Cool. Alright, so implementing shield might be the next thing to do. Oh. Level complete. What's gonna happen? It's gonna go to the next level? Okay, so level complete while dead somehow works. Let me not do that. Level complete can be triggered while doing rollover. Difficult. Ship power up meter, drop shadow text. That's done. What was the last thing I said? Do not remember. Do not remember. Oh, the shield. 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 Power up. Shield. Shield. Yeah. Shield power up. Okay. All good. That'll be what I do then. Shield power up. That's easy enough. All that aside, I think I'm done for the day. 2 hours, 15 minutes. These streams are getting longer, I think. But yeah, I did start kind of late also.
Yeah. Let's see.
And yet you still showed up late.
Yep.
All right.
Fashionably late, as it's called.
The longer streams are rad. Oh, man. Well, I appreciate it.
See? There you go.
I wish I could keep the energy up. This is not how I start my day. Pretty drained at this point.
This is how you end.
It actually is usually. This is usually one of the last. This is usually the last amount of coding that I do for a day. Although I do have some tutorials to record. I have some new YouTube videos to make, my friend. Yeah. Julio, man, I'm gonna have to get you to make that box art somehow. We're running out of time.
I've been sharing my screen. I'm working on it.
I had no idea, actually. You just never tell me what's going on.
I thought Discord would.
I thought you were. Oh, well, I thought you were sharing your screen the whole time, but I guess not. Let's see. Let's see how we're looking. The tornado will check them out. The tornado will check them out. Are you the tornado? Wind Sands? Is that what it is?
It's known by many names.
Is that Discord? Apparently it is. There we go. Let's see what we got here. Boom. Box artwork. Still happening. Oops. It's definitely getting there. If anybody else is watching, I stopped coding and Julio's drawing this badass box art.
Let's focus on me.
Yeah.
Hope I don't mess up. Whoa!
Everybody follow Julio for more premium content.
He just tappa.
I did put shield power up in the Navy pile, that's wrong. I just don't know what the shield is going to look like. How to represent that.
Shield?
Yeah.
Well, the basic one would just be like a semi-transparent circle.
Yeah, that's what I was going to do, like a little oval. That's what I actually did for my tutorial videos. I did a semi-transparent oval shape surrounding the ship, and then it would just flicker.
Or you could do some kind of shader like you did with the tiles in Bushido, and then have that like wash over the sprite.
Have it wash over the sprite.
Yeah, just how you have that, like, remember you had like that pattern moving in the shader that you did for the tiles? Like that visually on over the sprite, and you can add like a color to it, just like you did.
Interesting. That's kind of a cool idea too. Way more difficult, but, or should I say time consuming, but could look pretty cool. It's definitely an experiment.
Yeah, I mean,
I'll have to look at some reference work.
I have to go check it with my guys.
That's Julio's job.
My job.
That dude must challenge the hell out of you. Yeah, we're constantly trying to make our lives more difficult for each other by coming up with random ideas about what we should be doing. And sometimes we negotiate for a bit until we realize there might be a better way to do something. We've done a few game jams together where that happens a lot.
Yeah.
We always come up with that conversation like, hey, how difficult would it be to...
Yeah. That's how it's, yeah.
Yeah, that's how it starts. I gotta find a way to get the chat text at least partially into the camera, so that when I keep these archives, I want to also archive what the hell the chat was saying, because I don't have that. I'm just talking to myself.
Yeah, how do you... Oh, you'd have to display that on screen.
Yeah, I need like another window that connects to Twitch, and I'm sure there's something. I don't know if it comes built into OBS or not. I guess I can check if it does. Let's see, tools. Virtual, no, edit. Settings. Should I be playing with settings while I'm streaming? Twitch chat add-on, none. Okay, so I can't do it while I'm streaming, but I'll figure it out. I'll make it my homework to figure it out, and I'll try to get at least some level of chat into the stream. Maybe like
you'll at least save it visually.
Yeah, visually, like the last 2 or 3 messages that were sent or something.
Mm-hmm.
I don't want it to take up the whole screen because I want to prioritize the code and Unity and stuff.
It's about code, man.
I just connect to Twitch directly. Yeah, I found that when I tried to use Streamlabs, well, at least, I mean, I wasn't paying for it. I noticed there was a lot more significant lag. So maybe if I pay for it, they give you the extra bandwidth, and there's not that lag. I don't know. That's just, but that was like a year ago when I tried that, and I haven't tried it since, so. Which section are you coloring right now? I can't tell.
Here, look. What's changing?
Yeah, I know. I'm trying to do like a Where's Waldo. Oh, wait. I thought I saw something just now. The flame? Nope. Well, there it is. I think maybe there's a lag on it. I don't know.
No, there's so I'm screen sharing another window of it, so it only updates.
Oh, okay, got it.
When I lift the pen up.
Yeah, it updates in little patches. I see that now. And you can probably, this is interesting because on your other screen also you can zoom in as close as you want on any detail.
Yeah.
While here, I only see the full screen version all the time.
Right. So it's kind of, it ends up kind of being like a time lapse, looking like.
Yeah, yeah. Have you been recording this as well?
This no,
Ah,
kind of
that would have
there
been
was
cool to have
because
a backup of that.
I have some of it. I have a good part of the beginning.
I use that and restream. Damn, the thrust is wrong. The thrust?
What thrust he talking about?
I don't know. He said the thrust is wrong. He said, damn, the thrust is wrong. I don't know if he's talking about your picture or something else.
Like piloting the ship. Galaxy Quest situation here.
Yeah.
No. No.
Sorry, wrong meaning. In his art, wrong meaning, right? Like nasty is good, wrong is good also. I haven't heard that one yet.
And the save of the day goes to. Yeah, man, totally all the kids are saying. All the kids are like, it's a piece of shit, man. Yeah, a piece of shit too.
Are you doing fill tool on any of these?
No.
Oh, okay. It seems like you're getting the walls pretty quickly though.
Kinda, yeah.
And you're staying within the lines.
I'm
Like
zoomed
we'd
in
say
for the
them
most
drums
part.
is mad wrong. Shit.
I haven't really heard many people say like I'm mad happy.
That would probably mean the opposite though.
So you should watch out if anyone ever says that.
Where is that slang from?
He's like,
Oh, he's from New York. Okay.
I thought he was gonna start like doing one of those naming from like things around him. Water Bottleville. We say that all the time in Water Bottleville.
Oh, okay. You make up your own slang. Gotcha. Do talk my own way. WebGL. Are you actually doing WebGL, or are you just trying to do a WebGL build of Unity? I used to have a lot of problems with that. You want to post it online? Oh, okay. Use if you're not doing that already. What's it called? Itch.io.
You forget itch.
They let you upload the builds.
Where SGB lives, man.
It's alerts. The alerts window.
Alerts, donut.
Yeah. Yeah, you can create an account and then you just create like projects and then you can say that it's whether it's downloadable or it's a web project. And then you just upload the folder that the build is in as the project and then it should play it. But I have had issues.
Did you get a tissue?
Ha ha ha. Hardy har har.
Are the Hardy Har boys here again? Oh no.
I also started looking at some more music people on Newgrounds.
They're called musicians.
No, they're called music people.
Is that the Latin?
Music is peopleless.
They're called artists, man.
I might try to put out an ad to get some audio. I don't know
Commission
yet.
some audio work. Wait for this?
Maybe, yeah.
You're not going to use Jason's stuff?
I am, but it's only 2 songs.
I thought it was more.
Nope. He made a bunch of little demos that were all like 10 seconds or 20 seconds, but
Yeah.
oh, background music, yeah.
I mean, you could reach out to him.
I mean, maybe. Well, David Winsands here does music, so it'd have to match the style, though.
Yeah, because you can't get rid of music.
Nah, because I want to use the original music.
Yeah.
So if it doesn't fit, I'm not gonna.
You must have quit. I get it.
Exactly. I must have gave up. The ebook of 11. Was there ever a strategy guide for Final Fantasy 11? I don't know, man.
I want a gaming company to do one of those.
What?
I want a gaming company to do one of those crazy things like they used to do. Like, oh, if you beat there's a secret in this game and you can win $10 million or like a blue encrusted
A
helmet.
year's supply of nachos. But yeah. That would be cool. I've seen that a few times, and I don't think anyone has ever won anything. Like, I don't think any company has ever followed up or followed through.
Well, from what I understand, a lot of those ones they ended up selling them off, right? Like some people got some stuff. There was like a quest one where it was like a bunch of like there was like 5 different pieces. There was like a jewel encrusted sword, a helmet, a this, a that.
Yeah, I remember that one. AVGN covered it very thoroughly.
The pieces exist.
It's kind of crazy.
Yeah.
buy that and need only a few, you could just ask me, I won't charge you. I'll see. I'm gonna do some research and see what I can dig up. I'm gonna hold on to this link though. Thank you very much, man. Speechello offer. Instantly transform any text into 100% human sounding voiceover. I am human sounding 100%. Billy Joel. That could be a good one.
How dark are the platforms?
They're pretty dark gray, like a metallic gray. Almost that color that you chose for those buildings, the front of those buildings. Billy Joel is Charlie Parker, the voice of Alien Encounters on Winsands Radio. That's good stuff. Does the kind of project matter? Kind of project? What do you mean by that? Oh, I don't remember what that meant. I think game is an option, isn't it?
Decentraland's all over the place.
Decentraland's all over the place?
Mm-hmm.
What does that mean? Up and down, or like it's literally everywhere?
We're in there right now, man.
That looks pretty cool. Should work. Oh man, we're at the 2 hour 45 again. All right, I think I'm going to actually end the stream this time. Take care, everybody. Thanks for hanging out. Much appreciated. I'll be on as usual. I don't know if tomorrow is going to be earlier or later. But I have an errand to run in the middle of the day, so we'll see. It'll still be on, but it's just a different time. Later, guys.